The Enterprise Portfolio Office is a corporate function that has oversight and management of the Met Office portfolio. Reviewing the health of our overall portfolio, rather than individually as directorates, ensures we have better alignment and coordination across the organisation. This is important as it ensures that Met Office projects, programmes and sub-portfolios have the right conditions to succeed and deliver their outcomes and benefits in a cost-effective way. To support delivery, we need project, programme and portfolio (P3M) governance and assurance in place. We provide Met Office staff with P3M guidance, processes, tools and techniques supporting delivery. We work in a collaborative way, providing objective review through delivery. The Enterprise Portfolio Office are independent and impartial. We sit in the Chief Financial Officer Directorate and are a corporate function that operates at a strategic level. We report portfolio health to the executive and inform financial decisions at the Investment and Bid Committee. Setting out the lines of defence is a good place to start when describing our team. We provide P3M governance at first line. This ensures everyone has a standardised toolkit. At second line, we assure delivery. This ensures good project and programme management practices are in place and operating as intended. So where does governance fit in? Governance gives us guidance on how to deliver. Met Office treat projects and programmes as the major vehicle for delivering change within the organisation, and P3M governance is integral to this. P3M expertise is a key enabler, and our professionals play a key role in facilitating this delivery. The P3M profession is committed to supporting staff and cultivating talent to promote recognition of the critical role professionals play across the organisation. The P3M Centre of Excellence site offers a standardised approach for delivery in terms of tools, processes and guidance to help you in the delivery of projects and programmes. At the Met Office, we recognise the importance of investing in our people. Learning and development are activities you can undertake to improve your competency in a particular skill or area, often those required in your job role or as you progress through or towards different roles. Via the Centre of Excellence site, you will find a catalogue of courses available to develop and support all existing and upcoming P3M professionals. We are developing a Communities of Practice (COP) for the P3M. The diversity of projects and programmes that we have in terms of type, scale and context means that the COP will offer excellent opportunities for us to learn from one another and to help build our shared experience and expertise over time. Now, let's look at assurance. We have a team of enterprise portfolio partners to support critical projects and programmes throughout delivery. They will provide continuous assurance guidance, advice and support. At key points during delivery, critical projects and programmes will be required to undertake in Project Programme Assurance Reviews, PARs. And these usually take place at key delivery stages and prior to financial decision-making. To maintain independence, your assigned enterprise portfolio partner will not be part of the review. As a team, we work to a set of principles. These represent our approach to supporting delivery and good practice across the organisation. As you can see, our role in provision of both governance and assurance support our overall aim of creating a culture of continuous improvement, working collaboratively, supporting our projects, programmes and portfolios to achieve success. Visit the Enterprise Portfolio Office and P3M Centre of Excellence sites to find out more. Or come and speak to us. We're here to help.